How to find Xbox One IP address. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Xbox One IP address. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To find the IP address of your Xbox One console, you can follow these steps. Step 1. From the Xbox dashboard, go to the main dashboard of your Xbox One. Step 2. Open Settings. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Scroll to the right to access the System tab, and then select the Settings option. Step 3. Network Settings. Within the Settings menu, select Network. Step 4. View Network Settings. Under the Network Settings, select Network Settings to view detailed information about your network connection. Step 5. View IP address. Within the network settings, you should see various information about your network connection, including your Xbox One's IP address. It will typically be listed as IP address or IPv4 address. Alternatively, you can also find the IP address of your Xbox One through your router's administration interface. To do that, log into your router's settings page through a web browser and look for a list of connected devices. Your Xbox One should be listed along with its assigned IP address. Once you have the IP address, you can use it for various purposes, such as setting up port forwarding, troubleshooting network issues, or connecting to your Xbox One remotely. So this is how you can find Xbox One IP address. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.